Hello everyone, this is Beth in Texas and I'm here to show you how to do Entrelac crochet using the Tunisian simple stitch. This first blanket here I have to the left, it's a size for a lap robe or a baby blanket, and this weighs 1 pound, so I only used 1 pound of yarn, which is amazing for as thick as this fabric is. And this one particular one, I started with these 2 squares right here, and then I ended it and finished it with the triangles, and I go all the way around. This particular one I used large scraps. This is not really the best project for scraps, but I mean, you can make them work. And then I tried to film a tutorial and I kind of messed it up, and I got this far with it with the pink and white, and this one here started with a single square in the center. So this one will be a square blanket, and I have enough yarn to make it bigger than the one that's behind it because I have 2 1-pound skeins of yarn. So depending on what size you want your blanket to be, you're going to need 2 colors of yarn, contrasting dark and light. I think this would look cool in a striped yarn, self-striping yarn. It would give it a really cool effect. I also am going to show you how to, I don't know if you can see this or not, but I had left the tails attached. I didn't cut the yarn on the pink or on the white. And I'm just going to slip stitch up to start the new color. And so that way you're not going to have to draw in all those tails later when you make these afghans. So this is what you're going to need. 2 colors of yarn. I personally would purchase the 1-pound skeins and get 1 pound of each color. You're going to have a lot left when you're finished, but you can make a pillow or something else to match, or making a second afghan. You can get to 7-ounce skeins or whatever size your yarn comes in, but you want to have plenty of yardage, and it's better to buy too much than not enough of the yarn you need. And then you're also going to need some scissors, of course, for when you finish it off and you need to trim your ends, and a yarn needle. This is a plastic one. I usually use metal ones, but these stitches are loose enough. And another thing, this is an optional type of hook to use. This is the same as this hook, a 9mm M crochet hook, and that's what this Afghan hook or Tunisian hook is, a size M. Since we are only going to have 7 loops at a time, you can use a regular crochet hook, unless you get the kind that has the handles on it that are really big and bulky. You might not be able to fit all your stitches on the hook. That's why I'm using my Afghan hook or Tunisian hook. But I recommend you try this stitch before you go out and invest in one of these hooks. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to end this video and we'll get started. So get your crochet hook and your 2 colors of yarn and meet me in the next video.